Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm making a summer poncho. You can wear it over clothing or as a beach cover. And you can make it any length, long, medium, or cropped. And you're going to make two identical rectangles and then join them at the shoulders and at the sides. And I left slits on the two sides like this. So you can join all the way across the shoulders or just a short amount. Is to make this summer poncho. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. Hectanuga Patterns is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. For this easy pattern, I'm working with Barcelona yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. You can use any size yarn and any size hook that you like. Start with a slip knot, and you're going to work a foundation chain that's as wide as you would like your poncho or your crop top to be. So go ahead and work a foundation chain in any number that reaches from side to side in the width that you would like your poncho to be. And after you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. You're going to go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Like that, and that's how the first row will look. That's your first row. For the next row, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and turn. That chain 3 takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1. And it takes the place of that first stitch. Skip the next stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch. Like that. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Like that, and you're going to repeat that across the row. Like that across the row. At the end of the row, you're going to skip that last stitch, and you're going to make your double crochet in that turning chain. So skip this stitch, go to the next stitch, and double crochet. And that's how that row will look. And here's how it looks. Like that. So the first row is double crochets. The second row is a chain 1 space between your double crochets. And now we're going to make the third row. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn. And I'm going to make a double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm going to go directly over to the next double crochet, and I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Skip that chain 1 space, go directly to the next double crochet, work 2 double crochet in that stitch, 1 and 2. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. 2 double crochet in each double crochet of the previous row. Like that, and you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Like that. And that's this row. So now we're going to repeat these 3 rows. So it'll be another row of double crochet, and then a row of chain 1 space between each double crochet, and then a row of 2 double crochet in every double crochet. So chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. 1 double crochet, 1, 1, 1, like that, 1 double crochet in each stitch. And that's that row here. So you just continue to repeat these 3 rows over and over until your garment is as long as you would like it. And you can make it long, medium, or cropped. And you're going to make 2 identical rectangles and then join them at the shoulders and at the sides. And I left slits on the 2 sides like this. So you can join all the way across the shoulders or just a short amount. Is to make this summer poncho. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.